We've only gone and done it. We've got a Rossin. I cannot believe it. I have been after one of these for a long time. But before we get onto the bike, a little bit of history. I will keep this brief. Who are Rossin? Italian-based company, started in 1974 with Mario Rossin, who was a frame builder for Colinago. Very prestigious frame builder indeed. He was approached to actually build frames for a race team, and it went from there. In 1992 the name was sold, and unfortunately in 2018 Mario Rossin passed away. We do have one of his bikes here though, so I'm very happy indeed. We're going to restore and give this bike some love. The bike itself, well, it's in the Shimano Team colours, so it's a Rossin Team Shimano, and it's done in the Shimano 600 tricolour, which stood for sky, sea and land, and obviously it's got a full Shimano group set on. It's got the Shimano tricolour group set on, very nice indeed. We've used it many times, bit of a favourite of mine. So it's full Shimano tricolour, apart from the gear levers, which were actually dual race, which is very nice. We've got a nice roll saddle on the back here, and we've also got a short stem. Not too sure about this one, it definitely will be getting replaced. It's not the original stem on there, so we want an old Sinelli stem on there just to actually put that back on. The handlebars are fine though, the wheels are great, they're in great order, Mavic MA40 rims. So yes, what a beautiful, stunning bike. I can't wait to get stuck in and get this bike stripped down. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on and get a move on with that. Well, I am certainly out of breath with that one. This really has been a struggle. I don't know if I'm getting a little bit older, but these bottom brackets certainly are getting a bit more of a struggle. We've managed to get it out though. We've got the frame in the vise, as we generally do. That's all released. It's been really nice as well. They've got a dual race bottom bracket, a dual race seat post, and even the caps on the actual crank arm and the crankset were dual race as well. So really interesting in that respect. Lovely frame, got loads to be getting on with. We've got an R on the actual transfer that needs repairing, and we've got a bucket, or a bowl in this case, down at the bottom here. As you take things off, as you generally say, put things back on, and we've got a load of stuff to degrease. So let's be getting on with that. Well, don't they look amazing? Really happy with these gunwale tyres. 23 by 700C, they look amazing, and I can't wait to get them on the bike. The frame, well, that's all done and ready to go, and accept the group set. The group set, well, that's on the side. It's all been degreased. No polishing really to do with that. With the Shimano 600 tricolour, most of it is actually anodised, so I don't have to do any polishing at all in that respect. We did have to replace the handlebars. I've managed to locate a nice Sinelli handlebar stem and bars. Actually a black stem, which should look really good with the Rolls black saddle. We still need to polish this up, but I really feel that black saddle with a stem should really complement it. Got some nice white handlebar tape to put on there, and we've also got that all important water bottle to find. I do have the cage on there. I've gone with a grey one, and that's just purely because I'm going with a grey cabling to go with the tricolour group set. So plenty to be getting on with. It's really coming on. I can't wait to get it back together, so hang on tight. It should be a great build, this one. Brilliant. Well, we have arrived, and if you watch these videos, my favourite part of the restoration, all the group sets on the side there, as we always do. Handlebars are wrapped, the group sets all looking lovely and clean. Not too much polishing at all with this group set because most of it is actually anodised. But if you remember, the bike itself came in with some nasty plastic pedals. We've actually managed to find some Shimano 600 tricolour aero pedals, and we've got some lovely white toe straps to go. So very in keeping indeed, very happy indeed with that find. And we've also got that all important water bottle just down here, but you will have to wait and see till the end of the build to see what that is. So yes, what are we waiting for? We've got the blue gloves at the ready, so let's crack on and get this bike back together. Wow, well, what a beautiful Italian racing machine this is. Really am happy that I've managed to get hold of a Rossin to share with you a little bit of the history, but also the beauty of this racing bike. Really enjoying the bar ends on here. We've actually managed to get the Rossin bar ends. Everything has turned out really, really well. Beautiful colour scheme, and what better way to celebrate 100 years of Shimano than a bike in the Shimano colours. We do have a water bottle down here, as I mentioned. We've used one of these before. It's a Shimano one, and I feel this will really be the finishing touch. Brilliant. The icing on the cake. All that's left to do now, and is if you watch these videos, we do get these bikes out. So all that's left to do now is get this bike out and try it out. Better way to celebrate 100 years of Shimano than on this beautiful Italian Rossin bicycle done in team colours with a Shimano tricolour group set on. The bike is running like new. I could stay out here all day, and I can't think of a better way to start a beautiful colourful autumn morning. So yes, I do hope that these videos give you some inspiration to recycle and give that old bicycle some new life. Other than that, if you enjoy watching the videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.